Welcome, today I am with AirPods 3 and the Apple Watch, and I will show you how we can pair these two devices. So at the first we have to grab our AirPods 3 case and then open it to move the AirPods to the pairing mode. So open, rotate like that, click and hold this back button until this indicator starts blinking on white color. So let's make it right now, click and hold it. And right now we can release. Next, just keep this case open and grab your Apple Watch. Just go to the Bluetooth settings. So you will be right here, then select Bluetooth from the list, enable Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher, and then take a look on the available devices list. As you can see, here we have the AirPods 3, so we have to select, tap on them once, and as you can see right now, we are successfully connected with our Apple Watch. When you tap on this information icon, you can disconnect or just forget this device. So as you can see, that's very simple, and that's how you can connect AirPods 3 with your Apple Watch. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.